Things, because Candace and Granny are looking to buy one, and we're gonna go in one.
That's right. We're gonna go look in one.
We're gonna look in one. I think this one's cool looking. I like this one.
Alright, you gonna share them, girl? Alright, you're going home. Stay right behind you.
We're doing something under it.
Walk forward, Candace.
Let me see it. I think there's another one in there.
Yeah. Anne's really excited about this pink play one, which is cute.
Yeah, we'll try to get her one of these and she can put all her
Oh, it's got like a little,
huh?
it's got like a little flower bed.
Yeah, we want to walk.
And you got a teeny tiny little one.
Get you one of these, Cheyenne, and then you can put all your toys in here.
No, we don't put in here.
And then everything would be out of your room, and you'd have room to. Oh, see, put a little thing.
Yeah, she can put stuff up there.
She can put all of her stuffed animals up there.
Yeah.
Definitely get all your.
Yeah, but there's enough room for
But it's too tiny
a
though.
playhouse.
Playhouse?
I mean, I want the little. Okay, it needs to
Well,
be.
by there.
What's the little?
It would be what?
Correct.
Ooh, it would be perfect for a playhouse. For all your.
And you could build, your dad could build shelves and stuff on here. You could stack stuff on here.
Yeah, you can have shelves all up and down the walls.
You could have a tiny little table or something for your stuff.
Cooking thing over here.
You would be in the middle because if there was things, you would only move like a step.
I just can't understand why people cannot see how spaces work.
You can use walls.
Have you seen those shows, the tiny houses?
Yeah.
That makes so much sense.
So this.
Need one of these.
Cool,
Andy.
yeah.
Cool.
It's so
That
cool.
was cool.
You can put
I mean,
it
I
on
can
the
sit
pool.
my lawn chair here while y'all
We
are in
could
the
sit
pool.
here, yeah.
It's so cool.
We could sit here, and we could watch the rain like this.
Yeah. Even in the wintertime, you know,
Yeah.
you could put tarps
You
on
put
it.
those tarp
Sit out
thingies,
here,
yeah.
you get you one of those little fire pits,
Yeah.
you know, sit out here, roast marshmallows.
You could put lights up.
Hang hot Christmas lights all up front. Woo! The must-have, Andy.
The must-have.
Yeah, because it's so cool. You can put it near the pool.
My hair is like flattening. I can feel it.
I like blood.
You take blood.
I know. But this would be bad being near the road. You get snow.
I would want this one. I wish we all had enough money where we had enough where we could have something like this and have it on the lake somewhere, you know? Be like, all right, guys, time to go to the lake house. And it'd just be a kitchen, a bathroom, and, you know, everywhere so everybody could just lay down.
Like this one right here, that's a 12 by 32 or whatever. I guess you could get that shape. Or would that shape be just instead of a 12 by 32? That looks like the same shape. But what sizes do they got?
House like this one because it has a big little porch.
A little wider, I think. And it's a
12 by
12 and
32.
this is a 10.
This is a lofted barn, a side lofted barn.
This is that one that's
I think so. What's the lofted barn cabin?
That's probably the red one down there that I like.
Cheyenne, open the door!
Jump on that!
Open the door! Open the door, Chico!
What the crap do you want?
Open the door.
Door!
I'll be like on that movie.
I know.
No.
Open the door.
Open the door! Supposed to be the lookout.
Yeah, it's a gable roof. I guess they start at 12 by 28.
eating fried pies in this cool looking building.
Terrible.
Look at
Good girl.
me and Candace are having to wait for ours. I got Tex-Mex and you got what? Chicken and vegetable. Granny got coconut. Cheyenne got peanut butter and chocolate. Oh, it's done.
I got a chicken and vegetable too.
Oh, you got two? I didn't know you got two.
Why'd you get two? Me and you can share the chicken and vegetable. Well, you don't have to. You want a whole one by yourself? A whole chicken and vegetable by yourself.
You can eat chicken and vegetables.
Good boy.
Kind of hungry for food, but I couldn't pass up coconut. Oh, it's got to get me a pecan. Don't get one for the road. He'll never know he's here if you don't tell him.
When you see this video, he's going to know we were here. Apparently, he doesn't watch my videos, so who cares?
Well, it's quite a bit better setup than when I was there. And
Yeah.
the gas. Well, I've always washed my hands, but a lot of the people didn't. They just
Yeah.
do it to the money like the rolling quicker. But now, obviously, they just make pies.
Here's mine.
Come by here when we have Ardmore or something.
You want to film me? Come by to mine?
Wait a minute.
Feel me?
Yeah, it's fine.
Don't bite into it just right away.
Yeah, don't. Did you get a fork?
I got an extra because I didn't try it.
What'd you get now, the Tex-Mex? Tex-Mex? Is it good?
I just got pieces.
Just got a bite of the crust. Yours good, Sandy?
I have no water.
And how's your peanut butter, Cheyenne? Is your peanut butter chocolate good?
Yes. Try it.
Turn it off now. How do I turn it off?
Good.
Is it good?
Verified. This tastes like a bean burrito with fluffier
Fluffier crust?
dough. That's hot. Ooh, it's raining.
My kingdom. Our steps are wet. This boat. Oh, is it really running? That is so
Oh, wow, it's running.
Whoa!
It's really running.
Leave on this side and watch come out this side.
Okay.
Wait. I don't see a leak anywhere.
No, I don't think you really see it. It's too dark.
In what book it's big?
I don't know. That's a lot of,
Orange.
that's a butt ton of poison ivy right there.
What?
That butt ton of poison ivy right there.
Where?
Right there.
That's what's not right on that.
Yeah. Be itching like a freight train or something. I don't know. Itching bad. I'm gonna take some pictures.
On which?
I don't know. We're gonna race. We're gonna race these
Our leaf boat.
leaf boats.
Alright,
Ready? Set? Go!
Woo! See who wins. There's mine. There's mine. There's mine. It's going. It's going. How do you know that's yours? I just know it is.
Granny won.
You know.
Granny won. Granny won.
Hey, we need different kind of sticks. Ooh, I see a stick.
Oh, ball.
Most will do on that side. That thing was on. Okay.
gonna have a stick race.
Granny, here's yours.
Is this mine?
Picture of her stick.
That one's mine. I'm so long. I know it.
There's the chick.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Yeah.
There's mine.
Run that.
Mine's in the front because it has black on the back. Woo! I'm the winner. You're face.
Rope used to be, right?
Yes.
And then they cut the rope down.